myself Vaishvik Rothia, and in today's topics we will see about Brahmi as an oral dispersible tablets. And our team members are me, Preet Shah, and Gomati Bandgar. Ayurveda is the traditional Hindu system of medicine that uses a combination of diet, herbal treatment, and yogic breathing to treat illness. And what are the advantages of Ayurveda? Firstly, holistic approach. It balances between mind, body, and spirit. Secondly, personalized care. Ayurveda promotes personalized healing. Third, natural remedies. It utilizes herbs, diet, lifestyle adjustment, and therapies to restore balance without significant side effects. And fourth, stress reduction. It helps in practices like yoga and meditation, aiding in stress management. We will see some details about plant Brahmi. Brahmi's botanical name is Bacopi monarei. It belongs to the family of Scrophulariaceae. It grows in moist marshy areas. It is low-growing, creeping up with small succulent leaves. It features light purple or white flowers. Major chemicals of Brahmi are Bacosid A and Bacosid B, and traditional medicines plays an important role among rural areas in many countries for the arrangement of medical services in the absence of an essential healthcare system. Traditional ways utilize the whole plant in powder form for the purification of blood. It is used against varieties of problems like stomach problems, bone fracture, asthma. The root extract is utilized as an eye drop to treat cataracts, and leaves are used to treat constipation and asthma. In Bangladesh, leaves are administered orally by some tribal people to purify the blood. Now we will see properties of Brahmi as per Ayurveda. Its potency is cold. It means it will only work in cold environment. And its metabolic properties sweet means it has no side effects. Its physical property is light and its taste is bitter. Health benefits of Brahmi is to give cognitive boost and treats cognitive disease. It boosts immunity. It helps in respiratory benefits. It treats epilepsy and it helps in reducing blood sugar level. It also improves skin immunity and it is ideal for patients for gut and therapies.
The plant is mainly explored in the research area for its neuropharmacological potential. The alcoholic extract of Bacosides A and B enhance the learning ability of the brain. Brahmi has been known to improve protein kinase activity in hippocampus. It was also studied that it improves the learning ability. Brahmi is known as brain stabilizing agent. Its active ingredients help reduce the level of cortisol in the body, calms the mind and reduces stress and anxiety, and justify its antidepressant activity. Ethanolic extract of Brahmi possesses anti-tumor property. The component named cucurbitacins present in this plant were reported for the strong anti-tumorogenic activity. It is very useful in intestinal spasms. The juice and the extracts of the plants have been reported to have anti-ulcer properties. The juice gives a gastroprotective effect, as a result of which the mucosal membrane enhances the mucin secretion and reduces cell shedding. It has been widely used for the treatment of congestion, bronchitis, sinuses, blocked nose, and chest. It helps clear excess mucus, clearing the respiratory tract of any blockage affecting normal breathing. Brahmi also has anti-inflammatory properties. The brain from toxic chemicals like acrylamide, which has carcinogenic effects on human brain and responsible for damaging brain tissue. It also regulates blood sugar level by enabling hypoglycemia levels in the body. Present in the Brahmi help render clear glowing skin, prevent scarring, and help make the skin smooth and supple.
Dispersible tablets are also called as orally disintegrating tablets or mouth-dissolving tablets. Oral dispersible tablets are solid unit dosage forms like conventional tablets, but are composed of super disintegrants, which help them to dissolve the tablet within a minute in the mouth in the presence of saliva, without any difficulty of swallowing. It offers several advantages with respect to its stability, administration without water, accurate dosaging, easy manufacturing, small packaging size, and handling. Characteristics of ODTs. ODTs offer accurate dosage, palatable taste, rapid disintegration, no difficulty in swallowing, it dissolves within a minute, it can be consumed without water, it allows high drug loading, it leaves negligible or no residue in the mouth. Of ODTs. The tablet dissolves within a minute. The active ingredients are absorbed through mucous membrane in the mouth and then it enters into the bloodstream. A fraction of pre-gastric drug absorption may bypass the digestive system. It is metabolized by the stomach acids and enzymes. Due to presence of super disintegrants, it gets dissolved quickly, resulting in rapid absorption of drug, which in turn provides rapid onset of action. Brahmi as an ODT is potentially known for its cognitive enhancement or stress reduction. It represents an innovative application in the nutraceutical industry. Brahmi's historical association with memory improvement and mental clarity. It targets to the mental wellness or cognitive health.
Now we will see necessary tests for preparation of ODTs like angle of repose, bulk density, tab density, compressibility index, Husner ratio. Angle of repose should be less than 30 degrees, which shows the free flowing of material, and it is calculated by tan inverse h by r, where h is height and r is radius.
Bulk density. It is the ratio of weight of the powder by volume of the packing. Tab density. It is defined as the ratio of weight of the powder by volume of the tabbed packing.
Compressibility index. It shows the compressibility nature of the powder and it is calculated by the formula tab density minus bulk density upon tab density. Hosner ratio. It is used to indicate the flow properties. Hosner ratio is defined as tab density by pore density into 100. When Hosner ratio is less than 1.25, it means it is a good flow. And when it is greater than 1.25, it means it is poor flow. The volume of the species is known as word volume and is defined by the formula VB minus VP, where VB is bulk volume and VP is true volume. Porosity. It is defined as the ratio of word volume by bulk volume of the packaging.
Technique for preparation of ODTs. First is freeze drying. This is a very rapid process where disintegration takes place between 5 seconds. The drug is dissolved or dispersed in the aqueous solution of carrier. The mixture is poured into wells of the performed blister packs. The trays holding the blister packs are passed through the liquid nitrogen freezing tunnel to freeze the solution. Second, molding. This process is also very fast, just within 5 to 15 seconds. The water-soluble ingredients with a hydroalcoholic solvent is used and is molded into tablets under pressure. Third, sublimation. In this process, inert solid ingredients that volatilize rapidly like urea and camphor ammonium carbonate are used. Fourth, spray drying. A hydrolyzed and non-hydrolyzed gelatin using as supporting agents, spray drying process is carried out. And last, direct compression. In this, conventional equipment, commonly available excipients, and a limited number of processing steps are involved. Here, disintegration takes place just within 20 seconds.
The pharmaceutical industry is increasingly recognizing the potential of Brahmi for developing innovative and effective oral drug delivery system. Research and development in this area are gaining momentum. Brahmi possesses adaptogen properties, potentially helping the body and mind to adapt to stress. It absorbs into the bloodstream within minutes. It also supports brain health and possibly reducing the risk of neurodegenerative condition. For ODT to cross the blood-brain barrier may be relatively quick. Taking Brahmi as an ODT helps the person suffering from the neurodegenerative conditions take medicine in proper dosage by his own.
Hoping future or future prospects. The future for Brahmi as oral dispersible tablets appears promising due to its convenience, potential cognitive benefits, and the increasing interest in the natural remedies for overall well-being. With an aging population seeking ways to maintain cognitive function, Brahmi as an ODT would serve as a viable option for supporting brain health and cognitive performance. Conclusion. So thereby, with detailed analysis, we can conclude that the exploration of Brahmi as an oral drug delivery system presents exciting opportunities for the pharmaceutical industry. With ongoing research and development, Brahmi has the potential to revolutionize oral drug delivery and improve patient outcomes. Thank you.